Hey guys, it's Shannon, Simply Shannon here. So I have a little different video. This is an unboxing, but this is something that's new to me. I just signed up, so this is my first one. This is the Deck of Scarlet. I don't know if you guys have seen this. I will link the Facebook group or the Facebook page. That's where I originally seen it, but I'll link everything, the website and all this. But you get a palette every other month. A palette, and I believe it has like eyes, lips, and face, like blush and highlight and that kind of stuff. Every other month, and I know it's $29.95 or just under $30. So I decided to give it a shot. So let's go over this. This says Deck of Scarlet. I got to pick the first palette that I wanted, so I got one of their previous ones. So I'll show you that though. But this is, let's see. Hi dolls, I'm Stephanie, and I'm excited to be the artist-in-chief for this gorgeous jewel tone palette. Okay, so like I said, I didn't get the current one. I got to pick for my first one. So I don't know when this one was, but this is who did it. It's at Babes Beauty, and I will link all her info in there as well, but that's Babes Beauty. So like I said, I picked a older palette just because I really liked the colors, and it was a palette, and this is how it came. It just came with the palette, and then I believe this is a lip. Sometimes you get lip crayons, sometimes you get eyeliners, sometimes you get lip liners. I think one I saw with a mascara in it. So I guess it all just depends on what you're getting that time. But let's go over the lip crayon. So it says Deck of Scarlet, one stroke graphic lip crayon. Does not give me a color, so we'll just open it up here. Ooh, that's dark. Won't be wearing that one for a while. I don't really know how I like the color either, but definitely a fall or winter color. So we'll just put that right back into the pile for then. So obviously this is a probably a fall palette, I would assume. But like I said, I really liked the colors. So that's why I picked this one. So this is how it comes in this cute little sleeve. It says, not your mother's purple. Pop it, push it, pop it, punch it, push it. We're playing with purple this month, and it's going to get hot. From the glamour rock star of Sophia to the smoked insolence of making mauves, these curated shades create edgy but wearable looks. Super saturated violets are so bold they're cocky, while nuanced neutrals are tone matched to perfectly build and balance the look. The high pigment formulas lay down major color impact in one stroke. How far are you willing to go? So there we go. So it says hot. We'll open it up. This is how the palette is, which I really appreciate. So on this side is the eyes and the cheeks. Oh, super pretty. And then you have your lips. And the lips can be separate. So that way, hopefully, the powder won't get into the lip palette. But there we go. We got Peachy Keen, Making Mauves, and Sophia. And then we got beautiful blush in Bobdy, B-O-B-D-Y. And Gilded. So those are the highlighter, the cheeks. I love that cheek color. And the eyes. And then over here, pop this up and you have Plump and Brownies. And those are the lip colors. So I'll go ahead and swatch all those for you. But that's how it comes. I thought it was super cute. This says it's edition number 2. Yet again, I don't know what month, but this is just the one that I picked. So let's start with the lips since we already did lips. I'm just going to dip my finger in. Of course, it's very hot here, and it's been out in the sun for a little bit, so it's a little hot. I'm still not keen on the brown color, but I love that kind of purple color. That's pretty for the lips. So those are the two lip shades. I'm just going to grab a wipe real quick, because like I said, these are a little sticky. The mailman left it out in the mailbox, and I didn't get to it right away, so it got a little hot in the mailbox. So let me wipe these off real quick. I really like that purple though. Like I said, that's what gravitated me towards this, is I love the purple lip. You guys know I love a good purple lip. And then, okay, so we'll go ahead with the 3 eyeshadow colors first. We have Peachy Keen. Ooh, that's pretty. Then we had Making Mauves. Ooh, wow, that's buttery. We have Sophia. Those are pretty. So those are those. And then we will, I'm just going to wipe them off here. Because one, I had to wipe my fingers off anyway. Then we'll go in with, I'll go on the other hand actually. We'll go in for the blush and the highlights. I'm really excited about this blush. I don't have a lot of purple blush, and I do love it. Very pretty. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. The highlight. Highlight's a little... not a fan of the highlight, actually. It's not as kabow as I thought it was going to be. But that blush color is beautiful. Obviously, I wouldn't be swatching it with my finger or putting that on with my finger. So you'd really be able to buff that out and make it very pretty. But, oh, that's gorgeous. So, like I said, I didn't know if you guys heard of Deck of Scarlet before. I'd seen them on Facebook a couple times, and at first I just kind of went over it and stuff. But I really got intrigued, and I like that you get the palette that you can make multiple looks from. I mean, you really, really could with these shadows and stuff. So, this is, like I said, whoops, my light turned off. This is how it comes. Like I said, you do get the two lips. I love that it has a complete face. Like I said, you could really make a complete look with this. So, very, very intrigued to try it out. I will let you guys know what I think. Like I said, this was just kind of the first impressions, opening it up kind of thing. But I think it's a cute concept. And I love that it's not every month. It's really lets you play around with it, and, you know, it's every other month. And for the price, I don't think this is bad for 30 bucks. I think it is, and when you throw in the lip, I think it's a good value. So I will let you guys know what I think. I'll play around with that, try to get some looks. Be watching my Instagram. I'll pop up some pictures so you guys can see them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you ever gotten this? Are you intrigued to try it? Like I said, I will leave everything I can down in the description bar for you. And I'll see you in another one, guys. Bye-bye.